Legacy Builders, welcome back to another video. We're super excited to give you all a full home tour of this incredible home we're standing in front of called La Jolla. My name is Mlouhi. I am the listing agent of Crown Heritage Homes, and today we're going to explore this 2,700 square foot home that has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, has a 2-car garage, 2 living spaces, 2 kitchens, 2 laundry spaces, and as I'm sure you can imagine, that is correct. This home is also a multi-generational floor plan with a detached casita that we're super excited to show you all. So without further ado, let's get started. And so as we mentioned, this home has a detached casita concept that is boom right here. As we can see, it has its own private entrance, its own private doorbell. But we are going to show this at the end of the videos. We also have these 2 skylight type designs over your porch entryway, just to add some natural light and some interest to your space. And here we have a beautiful lockbox to complete the look as you enter your home. And here you have your main home. So right here in your entryway, you'll notice that immediately to the right as you enter, you have this awesome space to put some artwork like we did here, or you could add your own favorite artwork to add an element of interest to welcome your guests into your space. But additionally, you also have this wood-like cladding material that runs all the way from the floor to the ceiling, and that stretches all the way across your entertainment space to help warm up the space and add another cool design element. The heart of the home obviously is your kitchen area. Here in your kitchen, you have quartz countertops, a deep single basin stainless steel sink with an offset drain so that it's a little bit easier to keep clean. Additionally, you have your cabinets that stand at 42 inches tall versus your typical cabinets at about 36 inches. And as always, you have your spice racks, not on one, but on both sides of your gas cooktop for easy access, in addition to these deep drawers underneath your cooktop so you have easy access to your pots, your pans, and your lids. And here you have your 5-burner 36-inch stainless steel gas cooktop with a stainless steel hood that has a more modern finish to tie into the design of the home. And here you have your eating space. So here you have your dining room. As you can see, you have this decorative light fixture above your dining room table. And lastly, you have here next to your wood-like cladding material, this floor-to-ceiling fireplace design with this 24 by 24 high-polished porcelain tile and an electric fireplace to help add some warmth and drama to your entertainment space. And right off your entertainment space, you have your covered patio. Out here in your covered patio, you notice that you have 2 areas that are actually pre-wired for surround sound speakers so that you can take the party from inside to outside. And additionally, in your backyard space, you'll notice that this lot is actually elevated higher than your backyard neighbors, which offers you more privacy. Essentially, you're looking down on your neighbors versus them looking down on you, just so you feel a little bit more private in your backyard space. And off of your entertainment space, you have your primary suite. So here in your primary suite, you'll notice that you have a tile flooring, but not just in your primary suite, throughout every single bedroom in this home. This home does not have any carpet, it is completely tile flooring. Additionally, here in your primary suite, you have an accent wall with that same floor-to-ceiling wood-like cladding, and we frame the perimeter of the accent wall with this LED lighting to help add some accent light and some more ambiance to your primary suite. And here we have a barn door to welcome you into your primary spa. Here in your primary spa, you'll notice that you have quartz countertops that actually go up 12 inches. Additionally, you have these floating cabinet, this oversized mirror to help make the space feel a little bit more open. And you also have this massive walk-in shower. Here in your walk-in shower, you have 2 glass panels and a floating glass shower door. And lastly, in your primary spa, you have your walk-in closet. Here in your walk-in closet, you'll notice that you have plenty of space for your dresses, your tops, your pants, and you also have custom trimmed built-in shelving. And here, as we leave your primary bedroom, on the left side of the main home, you also have 2 guest bedrooms, a 2-car garage, and a guest bathroom. And lastly, on the right wing of your main home, you also have another guest bedroom, another guest bathroom, and your laundry space. And as promised, for the last portion of the home tour, we are going to explore your casita space. So here, as we leave your main home, you'll notice that you have this space in between your main house and your casita. If you rent out your casita, let's say for an Airbnb or some type of rental, this will really help with the noise retention. As you can see, because the casita does not have shared walls with the main home, it's much more of a private space. And now, here as we leave that area, we can see that this is also the entrance for your casita. And here, as you can see, the casita has its own private entrance with its own private doorbell. And obviously, as you walk into your casita, the first thing we have here is your casita living space. Here you have wall-mounted TV outlets so that you can mount your TV and free up a little bit more space here. And you actually have an open concept in your casita as well. So here you'll see that your living area opens up to your kitchen. Here in your kitchen, you have this island that is conducive for putting bar stools, so you could have your breakfast or your meals in this area. And the island also has 2 outlets so that you could plug in your food processor and also use this area as a prep space. Although many people may think this is a kitchenette, it actually is a full kitchen because it has all of the kitchen appliances. In addition to a spice rack on the left side of your oven and cooktop. So here you have an oven cooktop duo with this microwave that also has a range underneath to help with the ventilation. You have a deep single basin stainless steel sink, a dishwasher, these beautiful quartz countertop with matte finish, plenty of outlets here for your blenders, your coffee machine, or whatever you may like. And we also brought those 42-inch cabinets to your casita kitchen as well, in addition to these 3 huge windows. Here in your casita, you'll notice that you have 8-foot doors, not just in your casita, but in the main home as well. And for the last part of your casita space, you have a full bedroom with that same tile flooring, just to help keep things nice and clean, in addition to its own private closet. Also in this casita, you'll notice that you have its own private HVAC. We did this so that the mother-in-law, the tenant, or whoever's gonna be staying in this space doesn't have to worry about what the temperature is in the main home. They have full control over their air conditioning or their heating unit in the comfort of their own casita space. Also in your casita here, you have a stackable washer and dryer space. And lastly, we even incorporated a 3/4 bathroom. We did 3/4 bathroom versus having the tub and shower combo. In case you do have an elderly loved one living in here, they can scoot in versus having to step over that big tub just to make things a little bit more safer. We hope you all enjoyed this home tour of La Jolla. This home is currently a Crown Heritage home that is available on the far east side of El Paso, Texas. This home is currently listed for $570,000, and it recently had a $30,000 price reduction. So if you're interested in learning more information about this property, make sure to call 915-472-0341 to learn more. And what did you think about this home tour? Did you like this floor plan? Was it something different? Make sure to share this video with someone who you think may enjoy this home tour. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can keep bringing you these full home tours. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.